the directions for the presentation pretty much stays the same for all sections. Directions are in this particular file here, and this is looking at the gender section. Notice here it says for race and for gay rights, and there could be slight modifications to this depending on the year and number of students. But for the most part, you are going to look for a song, an ad, and a video. And the special task is somewhat of a writing assignment, but it changes depending on race or gay rights. There's a template slideshow, and I'm going to shorten this just to get you to think here about the requirement. So we have a song, a video, and an ad. So these three slides can pertain to three students, and it's simple. All you're going to do is if it's a song, you're going to put the lyrics to the song, especially the section of the lyrics that you are going to analyze or made you select this particular song. If it's a video, maybe you want to have the main characters. You can embed the video. I don't quite know because this could depend on your understanding of the technology. Maybe it's a DVD. I don't quite know. So for the video one, you can include the link here, and that pretty much might be it. I mean, like I said, this is dependent on your level of technology proficiency and understanding. Historic ads. It says here no videos. So this is changed over the years. What I initially was looking for is just an ad, that portrays, in this case, gender. And, I know that certain commercials and certain companies have created these very extensive ad campaigns like the Dove commercials and other companies out there. So this one is a little different. Initially, I was looking for historic ads. Notice how it says no videos. I can change that requirement, but if you are going to use a video, like a commercial, that is allowed. So you have that choice, but again, let's not try to count the video, or the ad twice. Like a video, I'm looking for, a TV show or a film. So here it says interview guardian, interview guardian. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then if you have a fourth person, the fourth person can do the introduction here, and they can also do the interview a guardian section. So this assumes that you have 1, 2, 3, 4 people. If you have 5 people, then maybe that fifth person can also do the interview a guardian section here. When the assignment changes for race and gay rights, you're just going to have to use the guidelines for your particular year that you're completing this. In the past, I have asked for coming out letters for gay rights. For race, I have come up with a letter in the form of the talk. And the assignment here is just asking you to locate current gay rights or race articles and then kind of focus on the comments and what people are saying. Notice the requirements here. The entire selection of song, video, ads cannot be entirely negative or positive. There has to be a mixture. So you pick, one positive and everything else is negative, or the other way around. Make sure you answer the question why you made the selections, and you connect this to class discussion. I will be looking for in each student's presentation to say, I picked this video because it made me think about this particular lesson. So that's it. When you look at the slide here, I'm looking for a connection to content. It does say here, explain like a central theme. That's up to the group. I don't know how many groups are going to come up with a central theme that kind of pulls all of the, pieces of media together. So that's what I'm looking for the most part.